like I said, it's an older version processor. It's a Pentium or 4. If it is a newer one like dual core or Core i5, Core i7, there you'll not get these pins. It will really be more easier to attach it or open it when you don't have these pins, because you need to be careful when you deal with these pins. If any of these pins get damaged, your processor is gone. Be really very careful. Okay, where to keep it. Remember, before you open the processor, you must open this one. This is the clip. Okay, and here, look at this. This is your RAM. You know, right? This is you know it's a RAM. And these are the slots to attach your RAMs. Right? Look at this. This is a DDR1 RAM. There are categories of RAM like HD RAM, DDR1, DDR2, DDR3. The differences between these categories are the speeds, measured in megahertz or gigahertz, whatever. And this is a 512 megabyte RAM to be here. Well, these are called, these two where the cables are attached are called ID ports. I'm not opening them because you know the pins are a little bit bent, so when if I open this and if I open and close them again and again, they'll be broken, they'll break. Okay, and this is your front panel, and these are called jumpers. You'll see in the jumpers there will be written what are they used for. This one is the reset switch, the reset switch, HDD, LED, then power switch. You're understanding, right? You need to attach the power switch so that it works. Until or unless you attach it, your power switch is not gonna work. You will have to see how to attach it. There it will be written. You know, the styles will not match my motherboard and yours, so you'll have to read them, right? So, and it will be it will help you if you have the manual of your motherboard. It really do help. You'll have to read it. Look at this. This is your battery, the battery of your motherboard. It's used to okay, I'll show you later about what is BIOS. So just know that when you make any changes in BIOS, they are saved in this battery. This one is the chipset of the motherboard. This is like the main part of the motherboard, the memory, everything of your motherboard is kept here. All right. And okay, let's open the motherboard. Here is the screwdriver. Yeah, here it is. So before opening the motherboard, you should find the screws with which the motherboard is attached. Here, look. Opening the screw. Find the screws with which the motherboard should be attached. Once again, let me tell you, please inform us if you have any problem in understanding it. Well, okay, after you have opened the screws, pull it outwards and your motherboard is out. Here, look at it. This is the bottom of your motherboard, bottom side, and this is the upper side. Well, I have explained you everything here, right? Well, this one, I can tell you before, this is for the floppy. The floppy cable is attached here. And did I miss anything?
No, not anything.
Hope not. Well, okay. Look at them. This is the peripheral of your CPU. You see it in the outside. This is for the keyboard. These two are called the PCI ports. These are for the PS2 ports. These are for the this is for the motherboard. This is for mouse. This is called the serial port here. This one is actually not used in modern times. it was once used for entering modems, one type of modems. Okay, you don't care about this. And this, you know, to attach your monitor, the monitor cable. These are the USB cables you enter your pen drives or any USB drives here. This is the LAN port. Here you insert your cable for internet connections, and these are the audio cards. Here you enter your audio input, the microphone, and here is for headphone audio. Alright, so this is your audio card. Suppose your audio card is not working or you need a digital one, you may buy an external audio card and you will put them in these PCI slots. Suppose you don't have your LAN card here, it is not working, you will have to buy an external LAN card and insert it in the PCI slots. Or maybe you have problems with your USB cards, whatever, you will have to buy an external one and insert them in your PCI slot. That's what, well, right. So now you have opened all the parts of your computer, and then okay, let's put them again.
Starting to insert all the parts. First of all, the DVD-ROM
drive. Well, okay, forgot we have to start it from here.
backward to inside, and now you fix it with the screws.
Well, I'm gonna find it big. It's a bit troublesome, right?
It's a bit magnetic.
Okay, let me pause the video, right? Then I will.
Now it's time for the hard disk.
Okay, start it here. Find the way you're gonna attach it first. Match
You'll have to find the holes for it,
yeah,
so that it can be fixed on the right spot.
Good. The screws. Right, so let's now fix this.
Let's fix the motherboard now.
Be careful while fixing, alright? You have to match them. First, attach these holes to these standers where you insert your screws. Okay. What up? This. Okay, put them here. Here you may face some problem. Be careful. Put these holes and match them so that you can insert your screws, the standards. Okay.
Now you're gonna insert the RAM.
Well, you see, you understand how to insert the RAM.
It's confusing.
Look at this.